Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie. Today I have for you a regular vlog. I have a bunch of things going on in the apartment and I figured I'll vlog for you guys. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing, finally, my closet. I feel like for the past 3 vlogs now I've mentioned how insanely messy my closet is. It just feels so heavy whenever my apartment is messy, especially my closet. Even to start this video, I honestly didn't know what to wear, so I threw on my regular little uniform that I like to call. These are my favorite jeans, and then just wearing white today. I have to say I'm wearing white because we are going to be chatting about some bridal things. I have to organize my wedding planner and print out some contracts and stuff. But I have an exciting haul for you guys from Tini Lux. Today's video is sponsored by Tini Lux. They came out with the most stunning bridal collection that I can't wait to show you guys. I'm currently wearing the earrings right now. They're just so dainty and perfect. But let me show you guys everything I picked out from this collection. All right, so this is everything I handpicked from their new bridal collection. They all come with their individual baggie. The boxes make for the perfect gift for your bridesmaids, your mother-in-law, your mom, or for yourself the day of the wedding. I am obsessed with the light blue color. But let me show you guys everything I got. So starting with these pearl earrings, they're the double pearl earrings. These are so stunning. I'm going to be wearing these for my engagement party. And I also got these beautiful teardrop earrings, which are the ones that I'm wearing right now. This beautiful pearl necklace, as well as this one, which has a couple more pearls. And then this dainty gold one. Then I got a couple more earrings. This one is a star with some crystals. These are the regular hoops. And then these right here that I am so in love with. I love the color and I think they're going to be perfect for the summer and any bridal activities that I have coming up, like trying on dresses and stuff that I'm so excited about. But yeah, these boxes are honestly so beautiful for that something blue as well. So highly recommend to check it out. I'm going to be linking everything down below. But now let me show you how everything looks on. So random, but I just noticed that the backs of the earrings have this beautiful little like flower detail. These are absolutely stunning. I am definitely going to be wearing this for anything bridal related coming up, like my engagement party, welcome party, rehearsal dinner, bridal shower, anything. Like how stunning are these? Wait a second, I totally forgot that this is actually a bracelet. I'm so in love with these pieces. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I'm obsessed with the pearl earrings. And also, now that I found out that this is a bracelet, I love it even more. Anyways, I do want to mention that Tini Lux has taken the last 3 years perfecting their earrings for sensitive ears. So if you have sensitive ears, I highly recommend to check these out. And they were also kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you use Natalie20 at checkout, you'll get 20% off your order. So definitely take advantage. I know a lot of you guys are also planning your weddings alongside me, which is so exciting. If you need any accessories, I think Tini Lux is the perfect place to get like the dainty, delicate, and elegant pieces. On the topic of wedding stuff, before I start organizing the closet, I finally got my save the dates. And I'm so excited. I was going to be setting these up today and like prepping them to mail them out, but to be quite honest with you, I cannot breathe with the mess in this apartment. By the time this video goes live, I'm pretty sure the save the dates are already up. This is what they look like. And also the back. But if you want to get like a closer look, definitely check out my Instagram. But yeah, I'm just like so excited for more wedding things coming up. I really need to schedule my dress fitting. I haven't figured out that whole dress situation and I'm really just taking it easy. Not necessarily, I'm stressing it, but I'm trying to take it easy because I have so many other things to worry about right now. For example, the save the dates, our engagement photos, booking the venue, getting a priest, also our hotel block, and all of that stuff. So I was basically focusing on that and now I'm going to be working on my wedding dress. So fingers crossed, and hopefully I get to find one fairly quickly, because I know that it takes like 8 months or something to get a dress back to you like all perfectly sized. I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty embarrassed to show you guys the state of my closet because it's the worst it's ever been, I feel. And also my bathroom. So let me just quickly give you a before. Right over here we have a bunch of random stuff. This is actually from a trip we took to Connecticut like 2 weeks ago. And now this is my closet. I'm going to be rearranging everything and moving the winter stuff here, I think. I'm not too sure, but this is a problem. This is a problem. And then here is the bathroom, but we're going to stress that later because I cannot even deal. I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. Alright, I'm going to take a little break from cleaning out the closet. I feel like it probably looks like I haven't been doing much, but I was just organizing the drawers for now. But the kitchen is a mess and I am also very hungry, so I think I'm just going to heat up some of our meal prep that Eric makes at the beginning of the week. So here is the chicken, rice, I added some avocado, I have my water, and use my phone for a little bit. Alright, back to cleaning the closet. This is all dirty clothes. This I'm going to be throwing away. And here is the mess still, so let's start cleaning it. Alright, floor is finally clear. This is yarn that I need to organize in the office. I have some hair tools that are brand new, the box underneath as well, some new shoes. I still really want to declutter the entire closet, but I feel like it's going to take me at least 2 days. So I'm going to leave it for another day and just do a dedicated like clearing out my closet. I got a bunch of bridal outfits here that I need to some sell, some like just organize and put together. That way I know what to buy and what not to buy, because I feel like I'm just purchasing so many bridal things and probably won't be using. On the bright side, I did organize like my underwear drawer here, also my t-shirts, bras, socks, and workout drawer, as well as my bathing suit drawer, which was a hot mess. Like, it was so bad. I also organized my sandals on here. I've been avoiding cleaning and organizing under my sink, as you can tell, so let's do a major decluttering. right, finally done cleaning and organizing the bathroom. I also organized the medicine cabinet, kind of tried to color coordinate, but not really, you know what I mean? So yeah, for now it's very organized. And then down here, I've fully organized everything, as you can see. I have my hair stuff there, some miscellaneous backup stuff here, as well as these right there. So a lot more organized, that's for sure. All right, I feel like it probably doesn't look like it's been a long day, but it's currently 7 o'clock and I am about to wind down, take a shower, wash my face. But I wanted to remind you guys to make sure to check out Tini Lux if you are looking for beautiful jewelry, especially for any bridal event coming up, and also to give to your loved ones, like your bridesmaids, maid of honor, mother-in-law, your mom, or also for yourself the day of the wedding. I am just so in love with all of these pieces. Make sure to use Nathalie20 at checkout for 20% off. And yeah, I'm just going to shower and hopefully work on some wedding stuff and my save the dates so that I can mail them out tomorrow.